show you how to place a savings plan order. The savings plan is a dollar-cost averaging product that deploys your capital into a diversified basket of cryptocurrencies over time. A lump sum is allocated to earn upfront, and a portion is drawn down periodically into your chosen investment basket. To allocate to savings, first navigate to the Invest tab and choose Auto Invest from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Auto Invest page. Now choose your basket. In this instance, we have chosen the ETH Killers basket and will invest 10,000 USDC at a monthly frequency for the duration of 5 months. This means that every month, 2,000 USDC will be allocated according to your investment basket. In this instance, 500 USDC to Cardano, 500 USDC to Avalanche, 500 USDC to Polkadot, and 500 USDC to Solana. Your uninvested USDC will automatically earn interest whilst it is waiting to be deployed to the market. Check your trade execution dates and other information. When satisfied, press Confirm to place your order. Your active auto-invest strategies will show under the Active tab. If you have any questions about allocating to auto-invest or have specific requirements, you can chat directly with Q9's trading desk by clicking on the chat button.